Greetings. I'm Dr. Walter Dorn, the author of the course on technology and innovation in UN peace operations. Technology has changed the ways that humans live, move, and work. It has revolutionized how modern societies operate, how wars are fought, and how the peace is kept. We will explore how technology has affected the ways the United Nations conducts its peace operations in war-torn areas of the world. We will cover technologies like satellites, radars, UAVs, and non-lethal weapons, and the software behind them. We will have plenty of figures and tables, diagrams and videos to illustrate the many technologies and the concepts needed to understand them. In Lesson 1, the introduction will review the technology revolution, especially to see how information technology and other technologies have transformed our world for better and for worse. We'll look at the synergy between science and technology and explore fundamental scientific phenomena like the electromagnetic spectrum. We'll look at key concepts like technology convergence and the need for technology, process, and people all to be considered together holistically. In Lesson 2, we'll look critically at technology as a potential enabler and sometimes problem maker. We'll take a balanced, critical approach to look at the pros and cons in general and then in peace operations specifically. We'll review the major steps that the UN has taken on peacekeeping technology and draw from seminal documents like the UN's report of the expert panel on technology and innovation in UN peacekeeping, on which I served, and also recent UN strategies and roadmaps. Lesson 3 is on peacekeeping technology for mission tasks. Monitoring is an essential task. It requires technology to extend the eyes and ears of UN missions. Next, we'll look at the UN's Information and Communications Technology, or ICT, which is world-class, with UN technicians setting up ICT in conflict zones on short notice and under very difficult circumstances. We'll also look at weapons for peace used by the UN, with special emphasis on non-lethal weapons. Lesson 4 is on the technologies needed to live and move, like accommodation and smart camps, which allow the safety and security of peacekeepers in conflict zones. For example, warning of incoming rockets, artilleries, and mortars fires. We'll look at personnel and vehicle protection, including the role of armor. We'll look at fuel and energy, food and water, tracking and positioning using GPS. And we'll touch upon specialized activities like engineering and medical services, most recently the UN's exploration of telemedicine. Lesson 5 looks broadly at our digital world, the information cycle, and the use of cloud computing. We'll look at the data protection mechanisms of the UN, when many nations and conflicting parties want UN data, and some might be seeking to steal it. We'll touch upon cutting areas of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Lesson 6 is on technology implementation. Who owns the technology? We'll look at the combination of UN-owned equipment, contingent-owned equipment, and contractor-owned equipment. We'll look at structures and processes in the UN and the strategies on technology implementation. Lesson 7 asks, how does the UN innovate in the 21st century, and presents a model for the cycle of technology innovation, or technovation. Lesson 8 examines the challenges for the UN, which are many, like the operational, technical, and legal challenges that need to be understood. Also the political challenges, which can come from the conflicting parties or the contributing states, some of whom may lack experience with advanced technology. We'll gain insights into institutional, cultural, and financial aspects of technology. Yes, money matters. Not every technology is desirable, appropriate, or effective, including cost-effective. This course should give you a better understanding to help you choose and use the range of technologies. I hope you enjoy this course, learn a lot, and find it useful in your service for peace. Have fun doing the quizzes after each lesson and meet the challenge of the exam at the end. Thanks for your interest and for your service.